Another important functionality that we have improved in our latest release is the possibility of grading like a margin. For example, in here we have our lateral and medial part, and we have these two different lines, one marked with magenta, this one, and the other marked in black. And we want to grade the black line, and the magenta line should follow the black line, so that we have to do just the work once and both lateral and medial will be correctly graded. What we want to do then is to grade this line as a margin for this other line. How do we do that? We select grade like a margin. We first select the line that we want to grade like, so the magenta, and then we select the master curve, and in this case is this black line. Now this magenta line will always follow if we grade this other black line, and we can inspect this by clicking on the inspection button, and we have improved the visualization so that it is more understandable that in this area here the grading will be done like a margin. As usual, if we select a grading center, the connected line will be highlighted. Moreover, we have implemented another way of inspecting on a per curve basis the various grading information, and this is attainable by right-clicking on the inspection button, and then we can click on the line that we are interested in, and we're going to see what is the grading connected to. In this case, the black line is connected to the upper. If we click the magenta line, we see that there is a white halo and a white highlight on the master line. If we select the other, we can see that they are where they are connected. For example, and these are to the sole, and we can easily browse through all the lines so that we can understand what's happening with this line when doing the grading. When we are satisfied, we can either right click, press enter, or escape. And the last thing that I want to show you is how can we properly visualize what's in the grading. For example, here now I don't want to see the sample size, I want to hide it. I can do that by clicking on hide sample size button, and now I don't see. If I disable all my sizes, I will not see anything. Here I have the possibility of measuring, and I can snap on this and can continue to measure between the various points. And if I want to pin, I can pin, and the sample size will reappear, but I can always go there, click on the sample size, hide it, and my graded line will stay. So I can easily check against each other what's happening. And this covers what we have done for the grading in the newest release 2019.0.